been captured.
Yeah, I'm in a camp. I'm like being hung.
Okay, I'm coming back over the water.
They're just like doing their daily business, and I'm hung like on a tree or something.
Well, yeah, me and Lewis will mount a rescue plan. How do you make a spear, Lewis?
A few moments later.
Fucking hell. Oh no, he's not. He's still alive. Get him.
Watch your life, son! Fucking
Oh, he's going over.
Behind you, Alex! Behind you, Alex!
Oh no! Yes. Anyway, hey Peter.
Hey,
I
man.
can't actually get you. I think you got to do it yourself.
My heroes.
Oh, what's this?
I love throwing the spear.
Oh, she's sad.
Oh. Yes.
You just beat a crying widow over the back of the head.
No, I went to throw it and it just landed in the body of the one she was mourning. She just sat there and I was like, oh. Oh, we've got proper, like, upright ones. Behind you, Peter, behind you.
Missed one. Oh,
Yeah, have it.
poor guy.
God, that's fucking brutal. Lying on the floor and we're
just
just...
pick up a rock and crush its head.
Wait, are we the bad guys?
It just landed on some foreign.
Don't just run up to her.
Hello, just accepted her fate with us. You can give her a weapon, I think.
Oh, God, what have you done? Just put it in a
Put it
pot.
up her arse.
I want a slice of that
I don't
ass.
think the stun guns work. Okay, it's worked. It's worked. Get him. Get him, get him, get him.
His legs
Get him.
off. Hey, he's not going anywhere now.
Oh, shit, I'm down again. Hello. He lost his head.